Charlie 4.
Clear left.
Clear left.
Yep, right side is clear.
Okay. Anti-vibrations are perfect now.
Can you see it? Because I can't see it. Because this one is blocked.
Yeah, can you ask where we're going here?
You want to request to follow me because it's here.
Yeah, try. At least they follow me there, but we're gonna go this way.
But you are going to be near this aircraft. Because I think the line is over here.
Yeah.
Just like that. But don't. Wait.
Ask if we can follow me.
It's a let request to follow me. That's better because these guys are playing around.
But
And if you come here, you're going to be
is this a taxiway, man?
The problem is I cannot see in.
Yeah, no, because it's that's isolation.
This is not bad. Let's wait for the follow me. I don't want to text and these guys are playing.
Yeah, no, but that's what happens even in Moscow. This is our taxi there.
I think they're clearing it this way. See?
There you go.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yeah,
This is the follow me.
is it?
This one.
Yeah, but
This is the ramset. This is the follow me. See? We have to follow this guy. So I think it's going to be like this, but they want to clean back and back.
Okay. Okay,
I think Charlie 5 should be
yeah,
somewhere
we're
here.
8 now, so
Yes,
we have to turn left. Okay. Okay, clear left. We have to make a U-turn basically, right?
clear.
Okay.
Right side is clear.
You said Charlie 5, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. No, clear left.
Right side is clear.
Brakes check.
Pressure 0. Charlie 5 should be...
Yeah, this one here.
Yeah.
But anyway, yeah, I know what I meant is
Because they were blocking this side. I don't know why he said Charlie 4 in the beginning.
even Moscow is like that. You cannot see any more the lines, you know. That's why the taxi is low and everything. But I know what I meant. They were creating a beast for us, those guys. Yeah. Clear left and turning right now.
Right side is clear.
That's it.
The hard part.
Okay, here's no slippery, so I can taxi a bit faster. Eh? Okay. because these guys are so used to, it's like in Moscow. Moscow is, you would taxi when it's snowing, the F1 like this is the same shit. These guys, they clear the piste and then you get close, so that's why you have to go slow.
But this, with all of this amount,
Yeah. No, it's normal. It's no.
no, I mean it's not like,
No, well look, the
Yeah.
80 says light and what's the visibility? 3,800 meters?
2,600.
Well, and it plus light, so I think it's correct. Man, when I used to go to Helsinki tavern here in the heavy snow, man, yeah, heavy snow, you can see it. You don't see even the edge lights on the taxiway. You have snowbanks all over the place, man. So that's nice. Cold, eh? 20 knots, huh? Check. Yeah, it's cold. You see, more you do, that's why it's good to beat for cold weather, because more you get used to it.
Yeah. I mean, I never do this, I never plan this fucking shit.